Good morning everyone. Today I will explain you some questions related to properties of rational number. Here I write some questions and one by one I will explain you. The very first question we have, using appropriate properties find this question, and the question is minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 multiply 1 by 6. First of all, I will rearrange the rational number because according to commutative property we can rearrange the rational number. So look at here, 3 upon 5 is in very first term and 3 upon 5 is in last term. First of all, I will write these two terms together. So here I write minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 5. Then last term minus 3 by 5 multiply 1 by 6 and 5 by 2 I write over here. Clear? Which property I used? Commutative property, isn't it? Now look at here, 3 upon 5 is in very first term and 3 upon 5 is in second term. So I can take 3 upon 5 as a common rational number from these two terms. Minus 2 upon 3 is left over here, and from second term minus 1 upon 6 left, and last term 5 upon 2 I write as it is. And which property I used over here? This is distributive property, isn't it? Now next we have, I will write 3 upon 5 as it is. I will subtract these two rational number. First of all, I will take the LCM of denominators, and the LCM of 3 and 6 will be 6. Now I will make this denominator 6, otherwise you can divide 6 by this numerator 3 and your answer will be 2, and that too you have to multiply by minus 2, or simple you can multiply it by 2 because you have to make this denominator 6, and this also you have to multiply by 2. Then minus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and there is no need to multiply any number because 6 is there, so I will multiply it by 1, and here 1 will come. Clear? Now 3 by 5 I write as it is. Minus 4 and minus 1, minus minus is plus, so I will add both the term, and minus 5 will come because 4 is greater and minus sign is with 4, and I will write the last term as it is. These two rational number are in multiplication, so I can cancel 5 and 5, then 3 and 6, 3 to the 6. So which rational number is left over here? Minus 1 upon 2. Here I am writing minus 1 by 2, and last rational number we have 5 by 2. Now we will add these two rational number. Denominator are the same, so I will calculate only the numerator. Minus 1 plus 5, and it will be 4 by 2. After cancelling 4 and 2, your final answer will be 2 only, isn't it? So in this way you have to solve this question. Now next question you have to do, I am writing over here, and you have to use appropriate property for solving question. And the question that you have to solve, 2 upon 5 multiply minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 multiply 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 14 multiply 2 upon 5. This you have to do in your rough copy, isn't it? Now question number 2 we have, find additive inverse of following rational number, and the rational number we have 2 upon minus 9, 19 upon 6, minus 6, and fourth we have 216. So what is additive inverse? In additive inverse you have to write the opposite of any rational number. Means you have to convert positive rational number to negative rational number. Means if rational number is negative, you have to write the positive rational number. So here 2 upon minus 9 is negative rational number and you have to write the additive inverse of this one. So you will write the positive rational number 2 upon 9. Second part you have to do, positive is here, you have to write the negative one. Minus 6, you have to write the positive one, and the last 216 is given, and the additive inverse of 216 is minus 216. Clear? Now question number 3 we have. Find multiplicative inverse of following rational number, and the rational number we have minus 13, minus 13 upon 19, 1 upon 5, and last we have 0 upon 5. So what you have to do in multiplicative inverse? In multiplicative inverse, you have to write the reciprocal of given rational number, isn't it? So minus 13 is given, I write here 1 as the denominator, and the reciprocal of minus 13 upon 1 will be minus 1 upon 13. No change will be there in sign, you have to write the reciprocal of given rational number. Clear? This second part and third part you have to do, and the last part 0 upon 5 is given. What is the multiplicative inverse of 0 upon 5? You can't write 5 upon 0 because it is very first condition of rational number, the denominator should not be equal to 0. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 0 upon 5? You will write does not exist, isn't it? Don't write 5 upon 0, it will be wrong. This is the multiplicative inverse. So simply you can find the multiplicative inverse of any rational number. Now question number 4 we have is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 into 1 upon 8. Look at here. You have to find these two rational number are the multiplicative inverse of each other. So what is in multiplicative inverse? Two rational number are the multiplicative inverse of each other if their product is 1. So what we have to do? We will multiply both the rational number. If the answer is 1, then we can say that 8 upon 9 is the multiplicative inverse of the given rational number. So simple, you have to do the multiplication. First of all, I will write 8 upon 9, and second I will write this one. First of all, I will convert this simple mixed fraction into simple fraction. So 8 upon 9 as it is I will write. First of all, you will multiply 8 into 1, 8 1 ja 8, then you have to add 1 to given number. 8 plus 1 minus 9 upon 8. After cancelling, your answer is minus 1. But according to multiplicative inverse, your answer should be 1. But your answer is here minus 1. It means you can say 8 upon 9 is not a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 into 1 upon 8. Clear to you all? So one question I am giving to you, and that you have to do, you have to find the given rational number are the multiplicative inverse of each other or not. So here I write 0.3 and 3 into 1 upon 3. This you have to try in your copy. Clear to you all? Now question number 5. Multiply 6 upon 18 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. You have to multiply these two rational number, but you have to do the reciprocal of second one term. So here I write 6 upon 18 and you have to multiply it by reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So I will write 6 upon 18 as it is, and here I will write the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 and it will be 16 upon minus 7. Now I will cancel these two rational number. Look at here, 8 to the 16 and 9 to the 18, and here you can write 3 3s are 9 and 2 3s are 6. Clear? Now after cancelling, you have to multiply numerator by numerator. 8 2s are 16 and 7 3s are 21, and you have to write here negative sign. Clear to you all? So in this way you have to solve this question. Now one question I am giving to you that you have to do. What you have to do? You have to multiply 3 by 13 with 9 upon 39. Isn't it? So it is enough for today. These questions you have to practice in your copy. Thank you.